Hello YouTube subscribers, just wanted to update you on my latest project. I'm going to be converting another runabout boat into a cuddy cabin and doing what I have now dubbed the antipod by moving the engine into the back of the hull. You can see here I got a free hull off a local guy and stripped the interior out to check that the stringers were in good quality. There's no damage, and then flipped the boat over to sand and fill any small marks or dents in the bottom of the boat. I'm also going to be putting that small wooden strip on either side at the back of the boat to get a little bit more lift out of the boat. Also, I think that it will give me more control in the turns. You can see that the hull is in quite good condition. I didn't have to do a lot of work, just basically sanded it all down, filled all the scratches and dents, and I'm going to be painting the bottom of the hull with the marine grade paint. It's going to be light gray. I also put a couple more layers of fiberglass on the bow of the boat, just where you beach it, so that you can see originally it had scratched through the gel coat. So I reinforced that, and I'll be just feathering that in so that you don't notice that I've built it up there. Once I got that done, I flipped the boat back over and started to mock up where the gas tank and things like that were going to go. And you can see here the color of the paint that I'm using on the hull. So I'll post a couple more videos on my progress along the way, and I hope you guys enjoy.